All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol LGNT, currently traded at 0011. Obviously, you guys can see way back here. Let me draw that out. Look at that. No volume in the stock at all. But now if we look over here, right around, looks like it starts, the first volume spike, major volume spike came in here towards mid-October. There we go. We can draw that up there. You kind of get that better idea. So right around mid-October is when it started coming in. No major movements really in the chart at that time. We could snap some support levels up here for sure. That's going to be a major one from what it looks like. You guys see that it's bounced off of here, fell through 4 times. It looks like 4 times total. That comes down to it, went sideways. So right here, when it starts stabilizing like that off of this downtrend, that would have been my first signal. Hey, you know, not necessarily get into it, but definitely put it on a radar. You guys couldn't go down too much lower off of that. You guys already were at the 0003 area as far as a support, but still you could have went down to 0002. But it started stabilizing at that 3 mark. Okay, we're going to snap up one more line, which is going to be this other major one. And what I mean by that is you guys come through here. It's kind of like a channel trade. I'm not going to put this in that channel trade category because when you put it in that category, it needs that one thing, and that's volume. 12,000 shares traded, for example, on literally almost a year ago from today. Now what's going on here is that you guys had this big pop-up, big volume spike starting in here. Looks like the interest is starting to build and come into it. Right down here, the chart turned bullish slightly, but not on volume. You can see that there. Made its way through, hit that 0011 area, came down back to the support line, fell through. But as I said, this was a major support line. Look at that. Bounced off, came back down. And then yesterday would have been the day to really see what's going on here. Why I say that, or I'm sorry, the first and the third, my bad. Right here, but it's steady volume picking up, then it goes silent for a few days. And then today, 25 million shares traded. Now, I'm not paying attention to what the company's doing. I don't even know what they're doing. That's not what I do. I look at strictly the charts. Usually Joe over here on investorshangout.com looks into the company. So right now, I'm just looking at the chart. Here's one thing that I noticed is the parabolic SAR. That is the first bullish sign that it's seen with volume since back here. And it still kept going for 2 days, pretty steady. Now, one thing I am going to tell you, if you're watching this video right now, the market's probably already closed. So I would tell you this. If you're interested in LNGT and you're watching this video, you're not in there yet, you're trying to debate, whatever the case might be, I really, really encourage you to go over on YouTube and look at the video, penny stock gap ups. Don't do this. So if you see this starting to open up tomorrow at 0013, save yourself some money. Okay, because it might pull back off of that. If it opens at 0013, or I'm sorry, 0011, or if it closes today at 0010, wherever the case might be, and it opens at that level, it could definitely bounce off of that. So put that one on a radar. I'm going to make sure that I say that clear enough because avoid the gap. I want to cover that as much as I can. 0011, watch for this alert TA. Technical analysis alert on this one. But as I said, if it gaps up tomorrow, all bets are off as always. So right now you guys are having resistance at the 11. I'm going to put that in here. Resistance at 0.0011. Then 0.0015 looks like it's going to be the steady resistance level off of that 0015. Support coming back down. If it does come back down, looks like your first major support is going to be around the 0007 area support. All right, I'm going to put that in there. Watch this. Watch for this alert technical analysis. Resistance at 0011, 0015 support at 0007. Avoid the gap. And as always, Make sure you subscribe to this channel to stay updated with all of the hottest stocks in the market as we cover them in live time. You can go over to investorshangout.com/live if you would like to watch our live stream and if you would like to request a chart. So if it's after hours, whatever the case might be, and we're not streaming live and you still have stocks that you want to request us to take a look at in live time, you can do so again by going over to investorshangout.com/.